Hello, everyone. Hello, friends of Kryptonomy. Today, I'd like to talk to you about the challenge for 2025 because, yes, we are announcing a challenge. Well, the challenge is already running because we decided that every semester we would like to um, start a new challenge. So every semester, which is a 6-month period. So the first challenge will run from the 1st of January until the 30th of June of this year. And the target is a total of 1,800 K packs that are purchased and paid from available accounts. Now, we have to focus on teamwork. So it's important that you and your team work together, or you get in touch with your team, your downline, your upline, in order to help us reach these targets. Then, of course, you might say, what's in it for me? Because it's nice to have this turnover, but what's in it for me? Well, it's very easy. When the challenge is achieved, then we will give away no less than 60 donation packs. So we will draw a winner who gets 10 extra packs. And all you have to do is buy one pack. So you buy one pack and you already have the chance of winning 10 extra packs. Then 2 winners will get 5 extra packs. 10 winners will get 2 extra packs, and 20 winners will get 1 extra pack. So if we count this correctly, that means that we will have a total of 33 people winning a total of 60 extra K packs. But very important, we have to work together as one team, one community, because if we don't achieve the challenge, if we don't reach the 1,800 packs, then there will be no winners. So it's really important. Then on the 1st of July, we will announce the new targets for the second semester of 2025. So let's work together and reach the targets. That's it for now.